How to add signature in cam scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add signature in cam scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you will get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the cam scanner application, and after that you will have to import the image. So let me select any of the image from there. Let me select any of the image from there. Let me select this, and after that you can see my image will be scanned. And now after that you can see the option for the signature. So you have to tap right here on the signature option to add the signature. Now you have to tap right here on the plus icon. From there you can scan your signature and you can import from the album also. So let me scan my signature. So you can see the scan option. So you have to tap right here on this camera icon to click the picture, and after that you can see that this image will be clipped. Now you have to tap right here on this done button. Now you have to tap right here on this. After that you can see that the signature will be added. So this is how you can easily add the signature. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.